Ah. Morning. కూర్చో. నోట్బుక్ తీసుకో. మీరు కూడా కూర్చోండి. ఏంటికి వస్తారా? క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. సెవెన్ చెప్తాను, మిగతాది నువ్వు దీన్ని బట్టి ఫాలో చేయి. అవుతుంది అడుగు. నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ చెప్తాను, తెలుగులో చెప్తాను. ఓకే, నువ్వు తెలుగులో అడగచ్చు. Today I will continue my lesson quadratic equation. I have explained you what is a quadratic equation and what is how to solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. I did few problems from our regular ncert book, and also I did some questions from R.D. Sharma. Some of you asked me, wanted to do some R.D. Sharma problems also. So I am starting R.D. Sharma questions also. First, learn the concepts. Okay. So today my topic is nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. So now we get two roots for quadratic equation. Two roots. So what is the nature of these roots? Okay. So that we are going to learn today. Now let us take general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now these two, this equation definitely will have two roots, two solutions. Okay. Vicky Agarwal, hi. So now these two roots nature depends on b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. b is the coefficient of x. 4 is 4 only. A is a coefficient of x square and c is a constant. Okay. So now the nature of the roots of any quadratic equation depends on b square minus 4ac. That is why we call this as a discriminant. B square minus 4ac is known as a discriminant. Okay? Because I will give you a reason also. The roots from the formula are x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula method. This formula is removed. He has not given. In the previously there was a proof also for this, but presently this proof is removed. So plus or minus means minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is one root. Minus b, I write here, minus b plus square root of, I write this b square minus 4ac as b by 2a is one root. Minus b minus square root of b by 2a is another. These two are the roots. So this is not given, proof is not given, but nature definitely has to come from this. So nature means whether the roots are real, whether the roots are rational, whether the roots are irrational, whether the roots are equal. Okay, all these things comes under nature. Okay, how do you decide the nature of a person? Yeah, the person is good, the person is bad, the person is very fat, the person is tall. How we describe? In the same way, we have to describe the roots of quadratic equation. And this description, depending upon b square minus 4ac, because it is under root. The root decide rational number and irrational number. Okay? Under root, for example, 4 is there. That means a perfect square. Under root 100 is there. That means a perfect square. So this 4 will become 2, 100 will become 10. So they are becoming rational numbers. So suppose under 4, 3 is there. 3 is root 3 only. It is irrational. Under root minus is there. Okay. If there is a minus, imaginary roots, complex. You are going to learn in intermediate. Right? So this root will decide the nature of the roots. So that is why this b square minus 4ac is there under root. That's why we call b square minus 4ac as a discriminant. Okay? I told you I will write here square root of b square minus 4ac. Only for it. So now under root, if b square minus 4ac is positive value, square root of positive value, real, square root of positive value ये नहीं है. Hello. Yeah. Now I think it's clear. Thank you for giving Ved giving the feedback. I forgot to switch on this microphone. నీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? నీ పేరేంటి? Okay. So square root of plus is always real, rational, irrational. Okay, that means plus means greater than 0 or even 0 also. Square root of 0 is also real only. Square root of 0 is 0. 0 is real, rational. Okay, so if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then roots are real. If they are 0 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉన్నా, hello, yeah, I think now it's okay. Yeah, so roots are real. Okay, greater than or equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means negative value. If b square minus 4ac is negative value, then not real. Roots are not real. So these two are the main conditions. So depending upon these two conditions, thank you. So these two are the main conditions. Now this first condition you can expand. Okay, this first condition you can expand. This first condition you can expand. I will expand and I will show you. Okay. So I think these two are the main thing. Okay. So now if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, this is another condition, sub condition. That means that will come under this first one. Then the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then what happened? Minus b plus or minus 0 by 2a, that means minus b by 2a. Both roots are minus b by 2a. So that's why if b square minus 4ac is 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and the roots are real, unequal. Real and unequal, they are not equal, different, distinct. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that means a positive value. Then the roots are real and unequal. So these two subconditions are coming in this only. Okay. So now you can have further also. What is further? If b square minus 4ac, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and a perfect square. Perfect square. So then the roots are real, rational and equal. Because in real, two things are there. Rational is there and also irrational is there. थोड़ा हिंदी यूज़ करना है तो मुश्किल होता है, बिकॉज मेरा चैनल में तेलुगु वाला भी है, हिंदी वाला भी है, सभी, इवन सम अदर पीपल आर आल्सो देयर. That is why I will speak slowly English, because I think my English is understandable. I am speaking very slowly. Okay. मैं कोशिश तो करूँगा बीच बीच में हिंदी बात करने के लिए, बट क्यों बोले तो बिकॉज इट इज़ ए डिस्टर्बेंस टू द अदर स्टूडेंट्स, राइट. सो रियल, rational and equal are, I am sorry, this is unequal. Equal only at one case, right? These are the different things. Say this is you can have 1c. So like this you can have. Now let us go to the questions. Question, practice question. I will give my own question. Find the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots of x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us find the nature of the roots of x square plus 2x plus 5. So you have to write first a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. A is x square coefficient, b is x coefficient, because we are comparing with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, standard form. Now let us find out b square minus 4ac. If you want to find the nature of the roots, you have to find the value b square minus 4ac. So 2 whole square, 4 into 1 into 1. So 4 minus 4, 0. So now we got b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then tell me what is the nature of the roots. I will wait for you. Check the conditions which I have given you. You should be writing all my things in brief. So roots are, because it is greater than or equal to 0, roots are real. Because it is 0 and equal. Roots are real and equal. Let us go to another question.
Find the nature of 5x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So now here a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 1. We have to find out b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 8 whole square, 4 into 5 into 1. So 64 minus 20, 4, 44. That implies b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, not equal to, therefore roots are real, because it is not a irrational, real, irrational. You don't need to write but irrational, but I am writing because 44 is not a perfect square. Irrational and unequal, because it is not 0, unequal. Okay. I will do one more typical problem with roots, right? Have you copied? Let me take one more question. 2x square plus 3 root 2x minus root 7 is equal to 0. With root problems also I am doing it. Very good, Ved, you are following me. Nice, thank you. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 root 2 and c is equal to minus root 7. Same procedure, same thing, everything is same. So now b square minus 4ac you have to find out. b is 3 root 2 whole square. If you just follow my steps, you will be getting happily the answer. Putting the brackets, everything. What happened? Gone. Okay. So then 3 root 2 whole square, 3 square is 9, root 2 square is 2. Like that you have to do one by one. Okay. Minus 4 to the 8 into minus into minus plus 8 root 7. So then what happened? 18 plus 8 root 7. Definitely it is 0 more than 0. That implies b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and it is not a perfect square. Therefore, roots are real, irrational and unequal. Real, irrational and unequal. Muskan Raja, good morning. Okay. Again, same thing happened. Okay. This is the same questions, and let me see the 10th class textbook. If any different problems are there, let us see. 10th class textbook, your textbook and or same textbook. 4.3 exercise we are doing. Question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. Find the nature of the following quadratic equations. If the roots are real, exist and find them. Okay. So find them in which way? If you are having formula, you can use the formula method, or if there is a factorization, you can do the factorization. Let me do one question for you. In these 3 bits are there. Which bit you want? First question, 3 bits are there. You can let me do third bit or second bit. Which bit? Second. Yeah, everybody will do second bit only. Exercise 4.3 first question and second bit. 3x square minus 4 root 3 x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now first step number 1, you have to find the nature of the roots. If the roots are real, then find them. Okay, if the roots are not real, no need to find. So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. So b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 root 3 whole square, 4 into 3 into 4. Okay. So then minus square plus 4 square 16, root 3 square 3. First, all are simple. 4 3s are 12, 4s are 48. So 48 minus 48, 0. Therefore, roots are real and equal also. Roots are real and also equal. So then what you have to do? You have to find the roots because roots are real. If the case real, you have to find the roots. I will apply formula here. Okay. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the values. Minus b, b is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac is 0. 2 into a is 3. Because already we have got b square minus 4ac here, you can put this value directly under the root. So then what happened? Minus into minus plus 4 root 3, 0 को निकाल सकते हैं, छोड़ सकते हैं, 2 3s are 6. So 2 table, so 2 root 3 by 3. The roots are equal, na? The roots are 2 root 3 by 3 and 2 root 3 by 3. Quadratic equation always having a, yeah, I am going to school, bye. So early? You are going so early? Good. You can see this later. So now this is how you have to do question number 1. So at this point I will stop okay, I will stop this question, and tomorrow I will complete the quadratic equations, and also tomorrow I am going to do some R.D. Sharma problems, right? See you, bye bye.